I think the partnership with SiccaDania is really unique because it works where it matters. It's technically and operationally a really good match. Yes, so SANOVO was founded back in 1961, and we here at SANOVO Process has been doing spray drying facilities for the past 35 years. And we have more than 100 large-scale installations out there using the horizontal spray drying technology. That technology is trending at the moment, and both existing and new customers are buying into the advantages of that. Well, we see a tendency out in the market that the projects are becoming even more complex. The customers require fewer touch points with suppliers. We want to be able to expand our capabilities without compromising our core. So at the moment we have a 6 months lead time from signing a contract to X works shipment. That's really unique in this business here. But expanding our capabilities with these strategic partnerships allow us to deliver even more value to our customers. I think the partnership with SiccaDania is really unique because it works where it matters. It's technically and operationally a really good match. We're not trying to overlap, we're not trying to merge two companies, we're just trying to use the synergies between the two companies. So SiccaDania is really strong on upstream, we are really strong on downstream, and a lot of other synergies as well where we really can utilize each other in a really nice partnership that allows us to stay true to our core in SANOVO, which is the horizontal box spraying technology. Yeah, so customers really benefit here by having a supplier that can be a one-stop supplier. We're able to deliver everything. And I think one quite important key point is that we tailor our solutions to fit the customer's product and process, not the other way around. We are fast and agile, and with this new relationship we'll be even more agile in terms of delivering real value to the customers. I think our ambition is not just to be a powder factory builder. We want to be a real partner for our customers